Hello DIYers. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error, what is the cause, and why this error comes. As you can see, this machine is super dirty. We are going to do a comprehensive maintenance. If you'd like to see how to do this maintenance, please watch this video till the end. IE or error 1 is problem with water supply. If this occurred, check the water pressure from the top. Next, check these filter. It might be clogged like these filters in this machine. These are the basic things you have to inspect. As you can see, these filters are dirty. The water was flowing through these filters in very low pressure. That's why the error occurred. Remember, there are two mesh filter you need to remove by flat screwdriver and clean it too. As you can see, these filters are dirty. Now we are going to remove the drain filter. Today we are going to do a full service. We are going to disassemble every part and we will inspect them. We are going to remove the back cover so that we can access to the wirings, harnesses, and drain hose. These two wires are the earth wire we are going to disconnect from the body. There is another earth wire, we are going to disconnect it. Now I'm going to disconnect this little pipe. It is connected to the water level sensor. We are going to unplug these harnesses so that we can remove out the control panel of this machine. It is pretty simple, just follow the color of the wires. Now I'm loosening these screws, and there are two more screws in front of the panel. These two screws are longer. Now we are going to remove the control panel, and we have to keep it in a safe place. Now it is time to remove the pulsator. Remove this cap carefully. This is a 10mm socket. Now I have to loosen the bolts. Sometime it's stuck, we need to shake it till come out. Wow, this is really messy. There are 6 bolts we have to loosen and remove them so that we can get out the drum. Before removing the drums, we have to disassemble softener dispenser. Now we can remove this drum mount. Now we are going to clean out all the parts and then we'll reassemble them. You can use any detergent to clean these parts. If this video helped you out, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed, don't forget hit the notification bell. It will notify you when we posting a new video. What a great result, we got everything is shining, even didn't take time. Now we are going to reassemble everything. Please watch closer. If you have any question, please let us know. Okay guys, it is now ready for loading. I'm gonna wash my overall. Thanks for watching.